welcome back. Today we are going to be finishing taking down a lot of the wood and extra piping and miscellaneous metals from the ceiling. We're also going to be dusting off the walls for a final dust and vacuuming up all the chips of paint that we have scraped off already. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. Move this just to our dump.
Should have brought my sledgehammer, but I did not, so next time. How long these nails are, and they're super old but impossible to get down. Whoa! Look at how much he bent these trying to get taken down. Nice job! Woo. I never wanted that sucker to come down. Ugh. Look at all that. I'm gonna show them. Look at this awesome clothespin from a long time ago. Kind of rusty, but it's huge and still works. Love it. Love the history. Oh yeah, so. Wait, is this the same paint that was, or stain that's in the big thing?
Yep.
Why do you get little ones and a big one?
Because when I talked to the guy about how much we needed, he didn't think I needed 2 huge buckets. And I could return anything, so
Okay.
I figured I would start with 2 small ones and a big one.
Okay.
I think it's going to work out just right
Good.
for this first visit. I don't know if I told you, but the estimate for the plumbing includes the 2 extra lines that go to the house. So when it comes time to hook in those things, it'll be
Yeah.
easy.
Yeah.
And the water also will be new water lines
Yeah.
and good water, you know. Then we can do another water test eventually and see if it's drinkable or not.
Right. I think we need one of those really fluffy rollers to get into, like, when we do our final coat.
Okay. I have a big one, but I don't know how fluffy it is. $1,420.
This is a receipt for carpet and from a carpet and appliance plaza.
Uh-huh.
Carpeting, mag tag, refrigerator, appliances.
1979.
1980. Something for $1,420.
A lot of money back in the 80s.
Yeah, it was. Oh, it's for carpet. I wonder if this place had carpet in it. What else? These were tucked behind a light socket. So this is rust tape. What? 1977. This is another one, 1977. These are cool.
You frame them and put them up somewhere.
Yeah. 3 payments of $54.32. For what? I am not quite sure. Right, it's still letting the bricks breathe, right? It's just a stain.
That's what he said.
Okay. I'm done with the doorways.
Yeah, go on.
All right, everyone, we're going to end it for today because we are tired and sweaty. So thanks for watching. And